There comes a moment in every healing journey when exhaustion turns into shame. You wake up heavy, unmotivated, unable to move forward, and the voice whispers, "Something must be broken in me." But what you call being broken is often something very different. What you feel is the wisdom of the freeze response. The freeze is not a weakness, it is not failure, it is protection. When fight is impossible, when flight cannot succeed, your nervous system chooses freeze, a state of suspension designed to preserve life. Evolution builds this into you as one of the most powerful survival responses of all. Imagine a deer caught in the gaze of a predator. It collapses, motionless. Not because it is weak, but because stillness gives it a chance to survive. Its body slows metabolism, numbs sensation, and waits for safety. When the danger passes, the deer trembles, exhales, and returns to flow. Humans do the same. The body freezes when overwhelm feels inescapable. It numbs and conserves. This was brilliance when the threat was real. The problem now is that the modern nervous system often stays frozen long after the threat has ended. Trauma loops replay, keeping you in a shutdown even when the present moment is safe. So hear me out. You are not broken. You are brilliant. Your nervous system protected you exactly as it was designed to. Freeze was the best option available at the time, and now your body is ready to complete what it began. To move and to live again. Today's journey is not about forcing the freeze to end. It is about understanding it, honoring it, and inviting the nervous system into safety so that the movement becomes possible again. You are not here to fight your body. You are here to listen to it. You are not here to shame yourself into action. You are here to learn the language of it. And when you do, you discover something amazing. Beneath the freeze, your energy has always been flowing. The river never disappeared. It was waiting for this moment, for you to remember you are not broken.